Okay, Shalom. Hypothetical question about Shalom Bayit.
Mm-hmm.
If the wife behaves modestly according to Allah, but there are still men try to approach her or behave in an appropriate way, in inappropriate way,
Mm-hmm.
should she tell her husband about this, or is this unnecessary information that should not be mentioned? What if the husband can find out about this in the future?
I think she can set this tell him, right? Just to warn, to say that this and this happened. So maybe it's from when she comes from the bus and walking to her house, and this is one of the neighbors. So they would arrange maybe a few times that he would meet her by the bus stop. Understand? So if this neighbor is there. Okay, so I think it's proper to like inform him.
Hey, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So if the husband has like a fiery behavior, not like just like excessively violent
Mm-hmm.
or something, would this cause like trouble between him and the neighbors, perhaps?
Yeah. So in this case, you're right. I was when I finished, I was actually thinking about it. It's also in last condition in laws of permitted speech, right? Like for constructive purpose. So meaning if person would not be like punished too much, like excessively. So right, excessively is not allowed. So if somebody would decided to take the law of their hands and take the baseball bat and smash the guy, so of course it would not be allowed to say. So I was talking like a normal situation, like average situation. Average situation is people are not violent. Okay, but if we know that the husband is like that, yeah, not allowed to tell him.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.